In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text badge in Canva. A text badge is a small, eye-catching label, think sale, new, or limited edition, that sits on top of your design and draws attention. By the end, you'll know how to find a badge shape, type directly inside it, and style it so it looks polished and professional. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, look for the official canva.com site. It should clearly say Canva and mention design tools and templates. Click that trusted result to head to the home page. Go ahead and log in using your usual method. Once you're in, open the designer. You can choose Create a design and pick a size that fits your project, like a social post or a custom dimension. This simply gives you a blank canvas to work on, and you can always adjust the layout later. With your canvas open, move to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type keywords like badge, seal, or ribbon. These terms surface a variety of ready-made shapes and outlines perfect for badges. If you want something simple and versatile, keep an eye out for clean circles, starbursts, and ribbon shapes. Avoid photo-based results. Vector shapes will scale cleanly and are easier to recolor. Click a shape you like, and it will drop onto your canvas. Drag it to where you want it to sit, and use the corner handles to resize. If you see alignment guides, use them to keep the badge centered or tucked neatly into a corner. Don't worry about colors yet. We'll style everything in a moment. Now, double-click directly on the shape and start typing your message. Short, punchy words work best. Press Enter if you need a second line. If your text looks tiny or too large, that's normal. We'll fine-tune it next. Use the top toolbar to style the badge. Change the font to match your brand's tone, adjust the size so the text fills the shape without touching the edges, and pick colors with strong contrast for readability. You can switch the text color and the shape's fill color to create a bold lockup. Center align the text, and if needed, tweak letter spacing and line height so everything feels balanced. A slightly heavier font weight often makes badges pop. Step back and check legibility at smaller sizes. If it's hard to read, increase size, tighten the wording, or boost contrast. And that's it. You've created a clean, professional text badge in Canva that's ready to enhance any design.